Hey everyone! Welcome back to Taste in a Flash. Today I've got a sexy, sophisticated dinner idea that's surprisingly quick and easy. A perfect surf and turf featuring juicy tenderloin steaks, tender scallops, and a rich Manhattan sauce made from that trusty bottle of sweet vermouth. Trust me, this meal looks fancy but comes together in no time. Let's get cooking! First up, let's prep those steaks. Drizzle each tenderloin with a little extra virgin olive oil, just enough to coat. Then, season generously with salt and black pepper. Simple, but essential for flavor. Get your skillet screaming hot. You want it to be really hot so you get that perfect sear. Carefully place the steaks in the pan. Cook for about 3 minutes on each side for medium rare. If you like it more done, give it an extra minute per side. Once done, transfer to a plate and let them rest while we cook the rest. Next, the scallops. Pat them dry so they sear nicely and don't steam. Drizzle with a little evu and season with salt and pepper. Alright, so using that same high heat, go ahead and place the scallops carefully in the pan. Let them cook for about 2 to 3 minutes on each side until they're beautifully caramelized and just opaque in the center. Once they're done, set these aside. They're tender, sweet, and honestly just perfect for topping the steaks later. Now, let's move on to that rich Manhattan sauce. In the same pan where you cook the steaks, add a chopped shallot and a bit of garlic. Let that cook for about 2 minutes, just until it gets nice and fragrant. Alright, so go ahead and pour in about a 1/4 cup of sweet vermouth. This is, honestly, what gives the sauce its depth and flavor. Let it simmer and reduce by half, which should take about 30 seconds or so. Then finish the sauce by adding in 2 tablespoons of butter. Swirl the pan around until it's all glossy and smooth. Seriously, this sauce is so good, you might want to double the recipe. While the sauce is coming together, let's get the asparagus ready. Bring a pot of water to a boil, then toss in the tough ends and cook them for about 2 to 3 minutes, just until they're bright green and tender. Drain them, then dress with a squeeze of fresh lemon juice, a drizzle of extra virgin olive oil, and, of course, a pinch of salt and pepper. Okay, time to plate. Place those rested tenderloin steaks right on a plate. Drizzle them generously with that luscious Manhattan sauce. Then, arrange 2 scallops on top of each steak. I mean, just look at that presentation. And don't forget to finish with a sprinkle of chopped chives for a pop of color and freshness. Serve it all up alongside your beautifully dressed asparagus. And there you have it. A sexy, elegant surf and turf dinner in just minutes. It's perfect for impressing your friends or, honestly, just treating yourself to something special. If you enjoyed this recipe, give it a thumbs up, leave a comment below, and don't forget to subscribe for more quick and delicious ideas. Thanks for cooking with Taste in a Flash. See you next time.